Let's begin by looking at the budget feature icon. By clicking on this icon, we then enter into a budget dialog box where we can establish budgets for future periods. So let's go through the budget for 2015. Once the budget start page is accessed, the user can see that we have setup and configuration screens and then report screens. We begin under setup and configuration with some fundamental parameters to create the budget period. In the budget parameters screen, you'll see the name that's established for the budget year, a base period, which will draw information from the QuickBooks accounting system file, and then the budget period. We have additional default settings that are presented here below. The first field in the default settings is an escalation percent. That escalation percent is used to escalate certain accounts where management simply wants to provide an escalation percentage over base year actual data. We also have a default setting for the number of hours worked in the year. Normally we think of the year consisting of 2,080 hours, but we actually go into the calendar and determine how many work days there are in the year, and we'll provide those hours as the basis for developing the budget. In 2015, there's actually 2,088 hours in the work year. Finally, we have a default setting for state worked. We recognize that many contractors will have employees in multiple jurisdictions, but you can establish a default setting that can populate the employment screens for payroll tax purposes. And of course, you can change this in any individual screen.